Sometimes it's the simple things that hold the most beauty. A few bold stripes of colour, a brush stroke here, another there, nothing too complicated. Just some red and some pink, maybe some green. Might look simple, but there's magic in simplicity, don't you think? It's easy to think that art has to be intricate, layered and detailed to be valuable. We see these perfect, flawless creations online or in galleries and we start to wonder, does my work even compare? Will it ever be enough? But what if the magic isn't actually in the complexity of what we make? What if the beauty lies in the act of making it itself, the quiet rhythm of creation, the brush moving across the page, the freedom to explore without the fear of perfection? These stripes, simple as they are, carry something powerful. Each one laid down with intention, and it tells a story of courage, of giving myself permission to be imperfect, to make mistakes, to try something new, even if it's just a few strokes of colour on a blank page. Perfection can be intimidating, but when we stop chasing it and we stop thinking that every mark has to be right, we begin to discover something far more important, and that's joy. The joy of creating without pressure, the joy of embracing whatever comes from that brush, even if it's a little different from what we imagined. These colours of red and pink, they're bold and unapologetic. They don't ask for permission to exist. They just do. And so should you. When you create, don't hold back. Don't apologise for your work, even if it feels simple, even if it feels unfinished, because it's yours and it carries a piece of you. There's no need for your art to be perfect, to be powerful. You don't need to make a masterpiece every time you pick up a paintbrush. Sometimes the most profound thing you can do is simply show up and create, no matter how simple or imperfect it may seem. So if you're feeling stuck or unsure, I encourage you to try something small. Pick a colour, pick a shape, and just start. Let go of the need to be perfect. Let go and let the brush move without expectation. And in doing so, you may find a sense of freedom that you didn't even know you were looking for. Remember, art is not about impressing anyone. It's about expressing yourself. It's about the courage to begin, to create, and to be okay with whatever comes. And I promise you, that's more than enough. So pick up that brush, make your own stripes, create something that is uniquely beautiful, and it's yours.